In this video, I want to talk about the gravity value and the function of gravity depending upon the location. Actually, gravity depends on the location, and it can be variable from place to place. If you're close to the Earth planet, the G value is 9.81 meter per second square, and that's constant value. So, but if you are very far from the Earth, at that moment, it can be different. For example, G value can be less than 9.81 if you are far from the Earth. For example, if you are far, or if you have height of 10 kilometers with respect to the Earth, at that moment, G value is less than 9.81. If you're outside the atmosphere of the Earth, of course, G value is completely different. Right now, imagine you're close to the moon surface. So for the moon surface, G value, the gravity of the moon is 9.81 over 6 divided by 6. It means gravity of the moon, it is equal to gravity of the Earth divided by 6. And it is less than 9.81. If you calculate this one, it is 1.64 meter per second square. So actually, it depends on the mass of the planet. If you have a huge planet and the mass of the planet is higher than the Earth, at that moment, gravity of that planet is higher than the gravity of the Earth. And if you have less mass for your planet, at that moment, gravity is lower than the gravity close to the Earth. This is the point. Imagine over here, I want to do close to the Earth, I want to perform an experiment regarding falling object. As an example, for the height of 2 meters, I want to drop something. I want to drop an object. And of course, you can find the time of falling. Because the gravity is 9.81 and the height is 2 meters, based on equation of, let me show it to you. Based on equation of height here, this one, you can estimate the time of falling. It's possible. Okay, imagine you're close to the moon surface and you want to perform this experiment one more time, exactly the same, with the same condition, like the height value, which is 2 meters, and you want to drop your object from 2 meters of height. Okay. What do you think? And what's your idea regarding time of falling? Do you have lower time of falling or higher time of falling? Which one is correct? Okay, think about it. If everything is the same for your experiments close to the Earth and close to the moon, there is a quantity here which is different. Close to the moon, you have different gravity, and gravity is 9.81 over 6. And if you have lower gravity, it means you have lower velocity for your falling object. In other words, the time of falling is higher. Consequently, if you have the same height, the time of falling for your falling object close to the moon is higher than the experiment close to the Earth. because you have less gravity. You can have this kind of discussion for every planet, depending upon the G value. You can figure out the time of falling. Thank you.